Hello, today we will guide you through how to reorder images in Behance. If you want to change the sequence of images inside one of your Behance projects, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. This is useful when you want your project to tell a stronger visual story, highlight your best work first, or simply clean up the presentation. Begin by going to Behance in your web browser. Once the site loads, look to the upper right area of the screen and click on your Behance profile. This will take you to your profile page, where you can view the projects you've already published. Next, find the project that contains the images you want to rearrange. Move your cursor over that project card so you can locate the Edit option. Hovering is important here because some controls may only appear once the project is selected or highlighted. After that, click the pencil icon in the upper left area of the project. This opens the project editor, where you can make changes to the project content and layout. Inside the editor, look for the option labeled Reorder Project and click it. This will switch you into the mode that allows you to adjust the order of your images. Now you can begin reordering the images using drag and drop. Click and hold the image you want to move, then drag it into its new position within the project. As you do this, take a moment to think about the flow of the project from top to bottom. A good order can make the project easier to view and more engaging for anyone visiting your portfolio. Continue dragging and dropping images until everything appears in the sequence you want. Once you're happy with the arrangement, click Save New Order. This confirms the updated sequence within the reorder view. Be sure to do this step before moving on so your changes are properly captured. Then scroll down until you locate the Update Project option. This final step is important because it applies the edited version of your project. Without updating the project, your reordered images may not be reflected publicly. After you click Update Project, your project should display the images in the new order you selected. That's all it takes to reorganize images in Behance and improve the way your work is presented.